Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this SEAT Mii, however you pronounce that, I don't know, Mii, whatever. But it's a 2019. All we do, we go to, oh gosh, I don't want to be there. We go to Bluetooth, and then we're watching out Bluetooth at bottom. It's already come up, I haven't done anything. SEAT Bluetooth 8200. But what I'll do, I'll show you how you should do it. Click phone. There you go. Please search for SEAT BT8200 on your mobile phone. Well, it is there already. So it's already kind of transmitting or looking for a phone. Here we go. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro would like to connect. Connect. Oh, hang on. Connect. Does this password match? So pair and yes. You're pressing the buttons there or the buttons there. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. That's it. It's let's see, let's find it. Find where it's gone. Towards the top, right at the top there. SEAT BT8200 connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 SEAT Mii, however you pronounce that. Dead simple. All you do, we go to music, there's a record playing. You'll see there SEAT BT8200, that's the one. The phone is already paired to the Bluetooth system. My fingers are terrible at working, there you go, on these screens. If the tick was next to there, you'd just tick SEAT. And now anything that plays on this, any audio that plays on your phone, will come through the system in the car if you have it set right. All we do now, click play, and we press media, and you'll see there it's playing this record, and then I'll turn it up. That's it. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how you delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 SEAT Mii. So you click on menu. We'll just try and find settings, system settings, onto system settings. We'll turn it down here using this, the right hand side button. Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. Bluetooth visibility, visible, paired devices. So actually when it's at the top, you can't see what you actually want. So you have to turn it past visibility, visible, onto a blank one, and then one more, then you're onto paired devices. Then you select Barry's iPhone here, and you've got the bin there and back there. So the button underneath the bin is the one we want. Click delete, or if there was several, you could just click that, delete everything, but I just want to delete Barry's iPhone just to show you on this occasion, and then click. Do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone 15 Pro? Yes, I do. Now I'm not using that now. Now I'm down on these buttons, so delete. That's it, gone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.